Today I'm going to be doing a review on this Sumbella, I believe that's the name of it. I'll tag it down below. Wig. And I started with putting makeup in my cap that matches my skin tone. And I did cut all three of those combs out because they be wearing the hell out of me when I got this wig on, okay? And I'm always going to use some glue from my collection. I use 3 layers as usual. And it's melted before I even put the blow dryer to it, okay? I did use 3 layers, like I said. This is a 26-inch wig. It's a deep wave, obviously. And right here, I'm just patting that lace into that glue to make sure that it adheres and lays as flat as I need it to lay. And you know you're going to band, okay? Put that band on there. Don't be scared. I left mine on for, I believe, probably like 5 or 10 minutes. I mean, it don't need too much. It's got 3 layers. And this is what the back looks like once it's brushed out. And right here, I'm going to continue to cut that lace off, the excess. We don't want that, okay? And this lace is HD. I know it looks like it's got a cast right now, but it won't when I finish. Try not to use the scissors because, as you can see, it kind of give like a straight line, kind of, sort of. You definitely gonna need baby hairs for that if you use the scissors. Because I was trying to give a clean look, but yeah. Make sure you use one of those eyebrow razors or something like that to give it that more natural look. Right here, I'm just using Got2b to help melt that lace further. And we're gonna band again, okay? Another 5 minutes. Right here, I'm just taking some makeup that blends well with my skin, and boom. I am a side part girly. I love me a side part. So, we're going to add some baby hairs right now. And I don't know why I ended up doing those off camera, but y'all know how to do baby hairs, right? It's 2025. We know how to do baby hairs. Make sure you get you a good wax stick to help lay the hair down. And make sure you got a good hot comb, okay? 450 degrees, that's what we use. We're going to band again to lay them edges. And boom, I told you the cast was going to be right there. Right here, I'm just wetting the hair down. I like to use water and a little bit of the clear silk serum. I'm sorry, my light went out. So I stopped recording.